He was like, yeah. 2, 3, 4. Bye, Emily. We'll miss you.
Hi, Miss Emily. I hope you have a great trip to New York, and I hope you love your new house. And thank you for being my teacher and being so nice to me. Bye.
Thank you, Miss Emily. You're the best fiddle teacher ever.
Thank you, Miss Emily. I'll miss you.
Hey Emily, thanks for everything. We're really gonna miss you. You've made it a lot of fun to learn how to play the fiddle as a grown-up. We'll visit you soon in New York.
Hi, Miss Emily. I wish you very good luck in New York, and I'm gonna miss you a real lot. And I hope you have a good time there. I'm sad. I'm sad for me, but I'm really happy for you.
Anything else?
And I love you so much, and I really don't want you to go. But I know you can't get divorced because, like Owen said, you're gonna have to get your own lawyer and all that. So I wish you the best of luck in New York, and tell your husband and your daughter I said hi. And that's it. That's all I've got.